everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Nmap. In this video, we will explore how these powerful tools can enhance your cybersecurity efforts. So, Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a free and open source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. Its graphical interface, GenMap, simplifies scanning and visualization, making it accessible even for beginners too. So, whether you're a network administrator or an aspiring ethical hacker, understanding these tools is essential for identifying vulnerabilities and securing your network. So, let's dive in. So, before that, we need to open our Nmap app. So let's start with port scanner. Or port scanning. So port scanning helps determine which port on a host are open, closed, or filtered. So these ports are entry point for services and applications, and knowing their status is crucial for assessing risk. So to scan all ports in a target, we need to put our IP address in this. So your network IP address. So and then enter scan. So as you can see, it starts scanning. So we will wait until the scan is complete. So once the scan is complete, we see that there's a lot of open port in here. An open port. So this open port, as you can see there, you can see a lot of open port here. So in Nmap scan result, each port entry will include the port number here, the port number. So port number identifies the port, what that port or the portal. So next is the service or state service. So this state service or the service running on the port, and then state or service whether the port is open or closed or filter. So this version is your service version if detected. So this version is where you open that port, what version you open that port. So for you to know why we need to do this scanning, or why we need to scan our port. So port scanning is a fundamental step in assessing the security of your network. By identifying open, closed, and filtered ports and categorizing them based on the risk level, you gain valuable insight into potential vulnerabilities. So remember, critical ports require immediate attention to ensure they're protected against unauthorized access. So while non-critical ports should still be monitored closely. So with this knowledge, you're one step closer to creating a security and resilient network. So next and that's it. Thank you for listening and viewing this video.